Good morning, children. Let us start with our GK class. Today we will discuss chapter number 37 Adventure Stories, 39 Words that Last Forever, chapter number 43 Optical Illusion. So, let us start. We like to read adventure stories as they are thrilling and very exciting. You know adventures movies? Adventurous movie, you know, children? For example, Indiana Jones, Jumanji, and many more. Okay, so today we will discuss few such stories which are adventurous stories. Okay, so now we will see a story of Gulliver Travels. This is a book and the author of that is Jonathan Swift. The story of that is on this voyage Gulliver goes to a sea as a surgeon on the merchant ship. And below, the ship is destroyed during a heavy windstorm, and Gulliver, the only survivor, swim to a nearby island. Lilliput. Lilliput means where all the peoples are of minimum 6 inches tall. Then, being nearby exhausted from the overday, he falls asleep. Upon awakening, he finds that the island inhabitants, who are no longer than 6 inches tall, have captured him. After the inhabitants examine Gulliver and provide him with food, the emperor of this country orders his subjects to move Gulliver to a little used temple, the only place large enough to house him. So this is all over the story of that. Okay. Now we'll see our next story is Treasure Island. Author is Lewis Carroll. Carroll. So this book is about a boy called Jim Hawkins. His parents had an inn named Admiral Benbow, and one day a man arrived to his inn and he was crying his big sea chest. After that, the man died, and the boy decided to find the sea chest. When Jim found it, he opened the box, and inside there was a treasure map. Then Jim decided to go on a treasure hunt with the help of a gentleman called Trelawney and with the doctor Livesey. So here is the story, short summary of it. Now we'll see our next story is Oliver Twist. The author is Charles Dickens. This story is about a fantastic, illogical world that contains topsy-turvy adventures. In this story, a little girl follows a white rabbit and falls into a rabbit hole. The popular characters of this story are the March Hare and Mad Hatter and the White Knight. Our next story is Alice in Wonderland. Author is R. L. Stevenson. A young girl, when protagonist is an orphan, means the young girl is an orphan. He is maltreated by his master Bumble. A young girl, when she first visited magical Wonderland, Alice Kingsley is now a teenager with no memory of the place except in her dreams. Her life takes a turn for the unexpected when, at a garden party for her fiancé and herself, she spots a certain white rabbit and dodges and joins a pickpocket gang led by Reggie. There he is kidnapped by a gang. At the end, he finally finds the family he had always wished for. Now we'll start with the next chapter, words that last forever. The person will not last forever, but the word said by him lasts forever. So let us see such type of persons whose words last forever for now also. It is an unfortunate fact that we are secure peace only by preparing for war. This is said by John Kennedy. Next is our favorite Thomas Alva Edison. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Means a great accomplishment depends not such much on ingenuity as on hard work. Means we have to do hard work. Next is impossible is a word only to be found in the dictionary of fools. Means which describe that assuming anything is less than achievable make you a fool. This is said by Napoleon Bonaparte. Next is the child is father of the man. What is the meaning of this? And this said by William Wordsworth means the idea that the character that we form as children stays with us into our adult life. Next word is said by Abraham Lincoln. Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. Means the concept for their own political gain feel that voters don't need to be fully informed. Does that not mean that democracy is seriously at risk? Next is Winston Churchill. I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat. This phrase refers to any type of work that is strenuous and time consuming. Everything he had into completing the work means man take much and much efforts for the completion of that work. Next is whom the gods love die young, said by Lord Byron. True, virtuous or gifted people die at an early age because the god wants those people to be with them in the afterlife. So many brilliant authors and artists died before the age of 50 that it's easy to believe that whom the god loved die young one. Next is Neil Armstrong. He said that's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Means we have to be kind to each and every person. The word said by John Keats, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. What is the meaning of this? Means a beautiful object, natural or artificial, makes a person happy for a long time, even if its beauty fades or put into different circumstances. It is always a source of enjoyment, happiness, and pleasure for a person or a group of people. So, how interesting it is now, children? Next said by Socrates. No evil can happen to a good man, either in life or after death. What is the meaning of this? A man does not die of love or his liver or even of old age, but he dies of being a man. We'll start with the next chapter, optical illusion. What is meant by optical illusion? Something that deceives the eye by appearing to be other than what it is. Means actually such type of figures which is made in the nature also. If you will observe that, the originality of that will appear in the different way also. An experience of seeing it to see something which does not exist or is other than it appears. Many optic illusions occur in nature as well. Here is impossible cube illusion. What it says, where two lines cross, it does not show which one is behind. If you will observe that, you will think that which line is before and which line is after that, which one is behind and which one is in front. Now here is the frame of old couple, an elderly couple looking at each other. But if you continuously looking at this figure or you are looking at this picture, then an entirely different image will emerge. You can see there two people are sitting. One is playing with the piano, that like a sitar. Okay, and one is putting his hands over his head. And one lady here, it looked like one lady coming out from her house. Next is Blavit. Three circular fronds at one end become two rectangular fronds at the other. You can observe here, if here it look like a three pipes from the starting, and here it look like a rectangle at the end of that. But actually it has two fronds at one end only. Next is Kanitsa triangles. One sees an inverted white equilateral triangle in front of three back discs. However, the triangle is not drawn. Actually, the triangle is not there, but the shape look like that only. Hermann grid illusion. When you look at the intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines, black dots appear to form and disappear. If you will observe continuously, if you will observe this illusion, then you can see that few are appear and few from that disappear. Mysterious human face. Woman moving towards a beach. You can see one at one side there is a face of a person, and if you observe very carefully, then at the back of that there is a city. Before that, there is a woman moving towards a bridge, and at one place it looked like a human face. So, children, here we have completed our chapter. You just hope all quiz times from all the chapters.